In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Udemy course. If you're reorganizing your content or no longer want a specific course on your instructor account, the process is quick once you know where to find the option. Let's walk through it step by step. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Udemy. Click on the official website, and once the homepage loads, log into your account using your instructor credentials. Make sure you are signed into the same account where the course you want to remove is hosted. After logging in, head to the instructor section, sometimes labeled as Teach on Udemy. This is your course management area. Here you'll see a list of all the courses you've created, whether they're published or still in draft form. Locate the course you want to delete from this list. Once you find it, select the course and click on the edit option. This will take you to the course editor, where you can adjust all course details. From here, look for the settings area, which is where Udemy keeps all options related to course management. Inside the settings, you'll find an option that allows you to delete the course. Udemy will ask you to confirm this action to prevent accidental removal, so double check that you've selected the correct course. When you're fully sure, confirm the deletion. And that's it. Your course is now removed from your Udemy instructor account. Always make sure you truly want to delete a course, because once it's gone, you can't recover the content unless you have backups saved elsewhere. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Udemy tutorials.